Hello and welcome to Kathy's Corner. My name is Kathy Holt. I am a partner and trainer with Stewardship Resources, LLC. In my video, Church and Clergy Payroll Overview, I made the comment that one of the most common payroll issues we find is that taxable fringe benefits are not run through payroll. So today, I would like to go over a list of the most common fringe benefits we find given to employees as tax-free when in fact, they are taxable income and should be issued through payroll. Now, pastors are employees for federal and state wage purposes. So when I mention employees, pastors are included. Employee love gifts, Christmas checks, or bonus checks. Now, the IRS does not care what you call a payment to a pastor or an employee. If the reason they are receiving the payment is because they provided a service to the church, then the payment, the gift, is taxable income to them. Gift cards are always considered the same as cash and are taxable income. The fair market value of a non-cash gift is taxable income unless it is considered de minimis or a small value by IRS standards. Now, the IRS gives the example of a de minimis gift as such as a ham or a turkey. So, a gift basket with non-cash gifts of small value would be considered a de minimis gift and would not be taxable income to the employee. Gifts to an employee's immediate family member. Giving a gift to an employee's spouse is taxable income to the employee. A scholarship given to an employee's child is also taxable income to the employee. Non-accountable expense reimbursements to employees. A common example is an amount paid to the pastor to help cover the costs from using their private vehicle for ministerial duties. So if a mileage log is not turned in to cover the amount paid to the pastor, then that payment is taxable income to the pastor. Gas receipts cannot be used to account for the payment given to the pastor because there is no account of what that gas was used for. It needs to be a mileage log. Moving expenses reimbursed or paid on behalf of an employee, that became taxable income as of January 2018. Housing allowance payments to pastors, they are taxable for self-employment tax purposes, and we do suggest that they be shown in box 14 of the pastor's W-2 form. The fair rental value of church-owned parsonage plus utilities paid by the church, that is also taxable for self-employment tax purposes. And we also suggest that that be shown in box 14 of the pastor's W-2 form. Life insurance. The only tax-free life insurance benefit is $50,000 value of a group term life insurance plan. Now, the IRS has a calculation to determine the amount of taxable income for any value over the $50,000. And the cost of any other life insurance provided by the church is taxable income to the employee. Some contributions to an employee Roth IRA are taxable income. Now, the rules regarding the Roth IRA contributions have changed as of January 2024. So IRS Notice 2024 is in the resource section below and has more details. Individual health insurance paid by the church. As of 2017, a legally written QSEHRA plan will allow individual health insurance payments to be paid as a tax-free fringe benefit as long as the rules of the plan are followed. Health share programs are not insurance and they are a taxable benefit. Now, there is a proposed ruling in place to include health share programs as tax-free fringe benefits. However, it is not yet signed into law, so as of right now, it is still a taxable income. Personal use of a church-owned vehicle is taxable income. Volunteer pay in the form of gifts totaling $100 or more. Did a video on how is church payroll different from normal business payroll, and there's more details regarding that in that video. Churches have big hearts and want to give benefits to their employees and to their pastors, and that's great. But it is very important to be sure that those benefits are treated correctly within payroll. Payroll done incorrectly can be very costly to not only the church, but to the employees, including the pastors as well. That is why it is very important to make sure that anyone involved in putting together payroll packages, processing payroll, or preparing payroll tax returns and W-2 forms have proper training. I want to thank you for the opportunity to share this information with you today. If you're interested in learning more about church and clergy payroll, check out the helpful resources and other videos in the information section below. As always, if you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact me at the email or the phone number below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, God bless you and have a fantastic day.